Human nature is dream weaving. Copyright Sanjay Kulu. 1. Dream weaving refers to the human ability to create, interpret, and share dreams in various forms. 2. Creativity flourishes through dream weaving, inspiring art, music, and innovative ideas from our subconscious. 3. Problem solving often occurs during dreams, where the mind explores solutions in a unique, unrestricted way. 4. Cultural storytelling has roots in dream weaving, passing down wisdom and shared experiences through generations. 5. Aspirations are shaped by dreams, motivating individuals to pursue goals that align with their deepest desires. Embrace your dreams and subscribe for more insights into human nature.